I've tested plenty of CRMs that promise to be all-in-one, but most end up feeling bloated, clunky, or overly complicated. When I first opened ODOO CRM, I wanted to know, was this going to be another overloaded platform, or could it actually deliver a smooth experience while still giving me the power to customize everything? After spending time inside the system, here's what I found. ODOO CRM is part of Odoo's larger suite of business apps, which means it doesn't just handle sales pipelines. It integrates seamlessly with modules for marketing, accounting, inventory, help desk, and more. Right away, that makes it stand out for businesses that want their CRM to work in harmony with the rest of their operations without needing third-party integrations for every little thing. From the first login, the interface feels clean, modern, and intuitive, avoiding the overwhelm that some large systems have. Pipeline management is visual and flexible. You can drag and drop deals between stages, set automated actions, and even prioritize opportunities based on expected revenue or probability. The platform also comes with smart activity scheduling, so calls, emails, and follow-ups are logged and organized without you having to hunt them down. Plus, lead scoring is built in, using customizable rules to highlight your most valuable prospects, something that helps teams focus on deals most likely to close. Where ODOO CRM really shines is automation. You can trigger workflows based on actions, like sending a follow-up email when a lead moves to a new stage, or assigning tasks when a form is submitted. The email integration is solid, allowing you to track conversations without leaving the CRM, and the reporting tools are deep enough to give you real insights without requiring hours of setup. Since ODOO is modular, you can start with just the CRM and add other apps as you grow, whether that's email marketing, accounting, e-commerce, or HR. Everything shares the same database, so there's no messy syncing or data loss between systems. This makes it especially appealing to small and mid-sized businesses that want to grow into their CRM, rather than outgrow it in a year. Pricing is another strong point. ODOO offers a very competitive cost structure, especially compared to some big-name CRMs that charge extra for basic features. You can get started with a single app for free on their online version, and even the paid plans tend to be far lower than competitors when you factor in the range of tools included. It's not perfect though. Because ODOO is so modular, you might find yourself needing to install multiple apps to get the exact features you want, which can take time to configure. The flexibility is fantastic, but it does mean you may spend more hours setting it up than with a simpler fixed CRM. And while ODOO offers a cloud version, many businesses run it on-premise, which can require more technical know-how to maintain. Overall, ODOO CRM is a powerful, flexible, and cost-effective solution that works best for businesses who want more than just a sales tracker. If you value having your CRM fully connected to your other business systems, and you're willing to spend some time tailoring it to your needs, it can be an incredibly valuable tool. If you've been frustrated by CRMs that feel like they're forcing you into a box, ODOO flips that around, letting you shape the system to fit you. And that's something a lot of teams will appreciate.